Today I'm going to be taking you through how to sign up to the Risk platform. Firstly, you need to navigate to risk.cydea.app and you'll be presented with this page. Then what you need to do is click the sign up button if you're a user that hasn't set your password already. Then you need to add your email address, and then you can set a password that must satisfy with the Cydea password policy. Once you've done that, then you can click continue. And you get this screen to thank you for registering. And the next step now is to verify your account. And you do that by the email that's sent to your inbox. So I'll just show you that now. So this is the email that I've got from the Cydea Risk platform, and now what I need to do is click on this to confirm my account. After clicking on the email, I get this screen where I can see that my email has been verified. Now what I need to do to finish the account setup is go back to the Risk app, and here I can log in. Now I need to log in with my account I just created, and that's automatically logged me in. And because I saved my password in the password manager, and because I haven't set up MFA as part of my account yet, this is what I need to do now. So I would log using my mobile device. I would download an authentication app. Google is compatible. The Microsoft one is compatible. I actually use Microsoft, but that's just personal preference. I would open my app and scan this barcode. So now that I've scanned the barcode, I'm getting the 2 MFA prompt in my app. I've now typed in the one-time passcode, and as you can see, I'm now able to log on into the Risk app. So here's my assessment, and because I signed up with a domain that is the same as my organisation domain, I'll be able to access my organisation and any unrestricted workspaces within that org. So thanks for listening to this video, and good luck with your sign up process.